Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video. This video is going to be talking about what happens if you close your laptop / PC while recording. So this is like a really complicated question. This is one of life's top 5 questions coming before. Is mayonnaise and ketchup really the best mix? So obviously, people around the world want to know this question, you know. It's just IQ has to be really high to get the answer. No worries, I mean, I'm not gonna show off, but my IQ is above average. It's large, okay? So let's test this out. And anyways, guys, short answer is if you close your PC / laptop while recording, it's gonna cut. Don't try this at home. It could cost damage, property damage. It's gonna cost millions of Indian rupees to pay. There's gonna be taxes. Just don't do this at home. Sorry if this video wasn't like very entertaining. I didn't have a lot of time on my hands today, but you know, hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.